Hi all, I'm Rutvik and my team member is Shankar Pantyala. This video is about our lab assignment 4, which consists of MLLib classification algorithms in Spark and word count on Twitter streaming. Let's go to the program first. The first program is using decision tree classification on the absenteeism data. This is our input data. We have formatted the data types to float or double here, and then created a vector assembler using the label and the distance. And here I'm using my decision tree classifier on indexing label and indexed features from the previous step, and split the data into train and test model. And finally I'm printing the accuracy and error along with the confusion matrix in the end. Let's see the output. It might take a while. Same data has been used for the naive Bayes as well, and for the same columns we find the accuracy for the naive Bayes. So in decision tree I got the highest accuracy of 96%. It might vary based on every run, and the error I got is 0.03, which is very less. And this is the confusion matrix here. And let's run the same thing for the naive Bayes algorithm. I think the naive Bayes results would be much less when compared to decision tree and random forest, because the data of it's based on the columns I have selected, and I've selected the distance and height of the person as the input column fields for all the three classification algorithms. So as I said earlier, the test accuracy is very less here, it is 0.2. And let's see for the random forest. Meanwhile, while the program runs, let me explain about the next program, that is Twitter streaming and the word count on it. So first we create a Twitter listener class. We fill all the authentication details here and set the stream on that, and create a assign a host and a port, and bind our stream to it, and send the data. In sending we encode the data, and on receiving end we decode it and perform a word count on it. So you can see here in the random forest model I got an accuracy of 86%. So comparatively, when compared to all the three, I have the highest accuracy with decision tree. So now let's run our second program. First I run this and it listens on the port 1234, and now I'm running my word count on Twitter stream. So once it starts listening to it, then the communication starts and we have the tweets immediately. We can see that received the request, this is my local host, and then it's bound to the port, dynamic port. You can see all the FIFA details, Luka Modric, Ronaldo. So all these tweets and the word count is being done here. We can see the output in a while. Yeah, you can see that. So Modric, Lionel, Ronaldo. So this is the word count result. You can check more on the GitHub page and find the results on this. Thank you.